Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the failed to obtain IP address from DHCP server error in Windows. This issue usually happens when your computer can't get a valid IP address from the router or network, often due to DHCP configuration issues, driver problems, or conflicts with saved network settings. Let's get started. Step 1. Check DHCP Client Service. Open the search menu, type Services, and open the Services app. Scroll down and locate DHCP Client. Double-click on it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Make sure the service is running, then click Apply and OK. Close the Services window. Step 2. Run Network Troubleshooter. Open the search menu, type Troubleshoot, then click on Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Under Most Frequent, find Network and Internet and click Run. Follow on-screen instructions to let Windows diagnose and fix the issue. Step 3. Reset network settings. Go to Network and Internet, then click on Advanced Network Settings. Under the More Settings section, select Network Reset and finally click the Reset Now button. Confirm by selecting Yes. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and settings. After the reset, restart your computer. That's all for today's tutorial. Hopefully one of these steps helped you fix the DHCP IP address error. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.